Hello Moonlight Adventures family, this is Josh. We're here at Great Wolf Lodge in Williamsburg, Virginia. We are in room number 4067. Just going to check this place out for you guys so you can see what you're getting into if you come out here and visit the Great Wolf Lodge. As you walk in, to the right, fairly spacious restroom and shower. A lot of counter space, closet, full vanity, 2 nice queen size beds, small refrigerator, microwave, lots of room underneath to store your stuff. Decent sized TV, dinner table, couch, and got a balcony. Say hello! And that is the grand tour of the room.